Top 6 best smoothie recipes to cleanse your body and boost kidney function. Feeling sluggish or bloated? Your kidneys might be trying to tell you something. What if I told you there's a simple, delicious way to reset your body, cleanse your system, and get more energy all in one drink? In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 smoothie recipes that not only taste amazing, but will also help flush out toxins and boost your kidney function. If you've been feeling tired, maybe a bit off, or just want to take better care of your body, this is for you. These smoothies are packed with natural ingredients that do wonders for your health, and I promise they'll make you feel like a whole new person. Number 1. Blueberry Blast Smoothie. The Blueberry Blast Smoothie is one of the best smoothies for supporting your kidney health while giving your body a delicious, refreshing cleanse. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants which help fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. Since your kidneys filter toxins, antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing damage and improving kidney function. These berries are also high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps your kidneys flush out waste more efficiently. Blueberries can even help improve circulation and lower blood pressure. Two important factors in maintaining healthy kidneys. The added protein powder not only supports muscle recovery but also helps keep you full and energized, making this smoothie perfect for breakfast or a post-workout treat. Now let's talk about the ingredients. You've got frozen blueberries, sweetener for flavor without extra calories, protein powder for muscle support, ice cubes for texture, and apple juice without added sugar for hydration and a natural sweetness. These ingredients combine to create a balanced drink that helps cleanse your system and support kidney health. Blueberries provide a natural antioxidant boost. The sweetener brings out the fruit's flavor. The protein powder helps your body repair tissues and feel full. And the ice cubes and apple juice blend everything smoothly together. Making this smoothie is simple and quick, under 5 minutes. Add 1 cup of frozen blueberries to your blender. Then toss in 8 packets of sweetener or adjust to your taste. Next, add 6 tablespoons of protein powder, 8 ice cubes, and 14 ounces of apple juice without added sugar. Blend until smooth, and you're done. Want to boost the smoothie even more? Add a handful of spinach, kale, or chia seeds for extra vitamins and minerals. These ingredients blend easily into the smoothie without changing the taste much, but they'll increase its detox benefits. The best part, it's easy to make, refreshing, and packed with nutrients. Incorporating the Blueberry Blast smoothie into your daily routine is a simple way to support kidney health and detox your body. Whether you're looking to cleanse or just need a healthy, tasty drink, this smoothie is a perfect option. With antioxidants, fiber, and protein, it gives your body the nutrients it needs to function well. So grab your blender and give it a try. You'll feel great after just one smoothie. Number 2. Pineapple Protein Smoothie. If you're looking for a refreshing and effective way to boost your kidney health while getting a burst of energy, this tropical smoothie is exactly what you need. Packed with pineapple, which contains bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties, this smoothie helps your body reduce inflammation and improve digestion for your kidneys. That means they'll have less strain when it comes to filtering toxins. Plus, bromelain can help break down proteins and improve the absorption of essential nutrients, further supporting your body's detox process. This smoothie also includes vanilla whey protein, which is key for muscle repair and recovery. After a workout or long day, protein helps your body heal and rebuild. It keeps you feeling full longer, which is great for anyone looking for a satisfying yet healthy snack. The combination of pineapple and protein also makes this drink not just hydrating, but packed with essential amino acids which support everything from immune function to cell repair. To make this smoothie, start with 3/4 cup of pineapple sorbet or sherbet, which gives it that sweet, fruity base that's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. These nutrients play a critical role in fighting off free radicals, helping to protect your body, including your kidneys, from oxidative stress. Add in 1 scoop of vanilla whey protein powder for a smooth, creamy texture and muscle-boosting benefits. Then pour in about 1/2 cup of water to help everything blend perfectly. For a thicker texture, add 2 ice cubes or increase the amount if you like it more like a milkshake. Once everything is in the blender, blend it for about 30 to 45 seconds until smooth. If the protein powder sticks to the side of the blender, pause the blending. Use a spatula to scrape it down and blend again. This little tip ensures the protein powder mixes evenly throughout the smoothie. If you want to make it even more nourishing, you can add a handful of spinach or a spoonful of chia seeds. Both will provide extra vitamins, minerals, and fiber without altering the tropical flavor. The great thing about this smoothie is how quick and easy it is to make. Perfect for when you're on the go but still want something that supports your kidney health and overall well-being. This smoothie doesn't just taste amazing, it's a simple, effective way to nourish your body, detox, and support your kidneys in the process. Whether you're having it as a snack or part of your daily routine, it's the perfect combination of delicious and nutritious. Number 3, fruity smoothie. Looking for a smoothie that's both delicious and good for your kidneys? The fruity smoothie is a perfect choice. Packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants, this smoothie helps support kidney health while providing a natural energy boost. The key ingredient here is fruit cocktail, which is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help combat free radicals in your body. By reducing oxidative stress, these antioxidants protect your kidneys from potential damage, helping them function properly as they filter out toxins. The fiber in the fruit cocktail also plays a role in supporting digestion and assisting your kidneys in excreting waste more efficiently. The addition of whey protein powder adds more benefits to the smoothie. Protein helps your body repair muscle tissue and maintain lean muscle mass, which is important for overall health. It also keeps you feeling fuller for longer, making this smoothie a great option for a meal replacement or post-workout snack. Plus, the cold water and crushed ice help. Make this smoothie refreshing while keeping you hydrated, something that's crucial for kidney health. To make this smoothie, start by blending 8 ounces of canned fruit cocktail with juice. You can choose fruit canned in syrup for a higher calorie option, or go for fruit canned in water or with artificial sweetener for a lighter version. Add 2 scoops of vanilla-flavored whey protein powder to provide a creamy texture and protein boost. Then pour in 1 cup of cold water and 1 cup of crushed ice to help everything blend smoothly and stay chilled. Blend for about 30 seconds and you've got a smoothie ready to enjoy. This recipe makes 2 servings, so you can store 1 in the fridge or freeze it for later. For a higher calorie smoothie, you can opt for the fruit cocktail and syrup, but for those focused on a healthier kidney-friendly option, using water-packed fruit or fruit with artificial sweetener is a better choice. Also, it's a great idea to consult with a dietitian about the best whey protein powder for your needs as different brands vary in their calcium, potassium, and phosphorus content. Important factors for kidney health. If you have extra servings, just refrigerate or freeze them for a quick snack later on. The fruity smoothie combines the perfect balance of hydration, antioxidants, and protein, making it a simple and effective way to support kidney function while also tasting great. Whether you're looking to detox, keep your energy levels up, or enjoy a delicious treat, this smoothie is an excellent addition to your routine. By incorporating it into your day, you're helping your kidneys function at their best while giving your body the nutrients it needs. If you're enjoying these smoothie recipes, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new tips. And if you have any questions or want to share your favorite smoothie, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Number 4, berry protein smoothie. For a smoothie that's both refreshing and packed with nutrients, the berry protein smoothie is an excellent choice to support kidney health and boost your body's natural detox process. Mixed berries like raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants which help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. This is especially important for kidney health because antioxidants help prevent oxidative stress, keeping your kidneys working efficiently as they filter out waste. The natural fiber in berries also helps with digestion, which makes it easier for your body to remove toxins and maintain a healthy balance. The combination of protein and berries makes this smoothie more than just a tasty treat. It's a nutrient-packed powerhouse. Whey protein powder adds the essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and energy. It also keeps you feeling full longer, making this smoothie a great choice for breakfast, a post-workout snack, or even a light meal replacement. Adding a small amount of whipped topping gives the smoothie a creamy texture without overloading it with sugar. while the liquid flavor enhancer drops add a subtle berry flavor that makes it taste like a treat, but without artificial calories. The ice and cold water keep it cool and refreshing, perfect for a hot day or anytime you need a revitalizing drink. Here's how to make it. Start by adding 4 ounces of very cold water, 1 cup of fresh or frozen berries, 2 ice cubes, and 1 teaspoon of liquid flavor enhancer drops into a blender. Blend until slushy and well mixed. Next, add half a cup of whipped cream topping and blend again until smooth. Then add 2 scoops of whey protein powder and blend one last time until fully combined. This recipe makes 2 servings, so you can enjoy one right away and freeze the other for later. If you want to increase the protein content, simply add an extra scoop of protein powder. You can also experiment with different berry combinations to match your taste. Raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, or blackberries all work well together. Berries are full of vitamin C and other antioxidants that help support your immune system, while the protein helps your body repair itself and maintain energy throughout the day. By combining these ingredients, you get a smoothie that's delicious, nutrient-dense, and supportive of your kidney function. The berry protein smoothie is more than just a drink. It's a way to give your kidneys a boost, support your body's natural detox, and enjoy a healthy, flavorful treat at the same time. It's quick and easy to make, easy to customize, and perfect for anyone looking to combine taste with health benefits. Incorporating this smoothie into your daily routine can help you feel more energized, hydrated, and ready to tackle the day, all while giving your kidneys the support they need to stay healthy and function at their best. Number 5. Peach High Protein Smoothie Free. The Peach High Protein Smoothie is a creamy, fruity drink that does more than just taste great. It supports your kidney health and helps cleanse your body naturally. Fresh peaches are loaded with vitamins A and C, which act as antioxidants to fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. This is particularly important for your kidneys because antioxidants protect these vital organs from oxidative stress, helping them filter waste more efficiently. Peaches are also high in fiber, which aids digestion, and works alongside your kidneys to flush out toxins, making this one smoothie a smart choice if you want to boost your body's natural detox system. What makes this smoothie even more powerful is the addition of powdered egg whites, a high-quality protein source that's low in fat and calories. Protein is essential for repairing muscle tissue and maintaining energy levels, so including it in your smoothie makes it a great option for breakfast, a post-workout snack, or a meal replacement. The combination of peaches and protein helps your body stay full longer while also supplying nutrients your kidneys need to function optimally. A small amount of sugar or ELEB, calorie sweetener, enhances the flavor without overwhelming the natural taste of the fruit. Making this smoothie is simple. Start by placing 3/4 cup of fresh peaches in your blender and blend until smooth. Then add 1/2 cup of ice, 2 tablespoons of powdered egg whites, and 1 tablespoon of sugar or sweetener. Blend everything together until creamy and well combined. If you're using frozen peaches instead of fresh, add 14 cup of water instead of ice to help your blender process the fruit smoothly. Depending on how frozen the peaches are, you may end up with a soft, serve-like texture, which is perfect for warm weather. This smoothie is easy to adjust to your taste. Add more or less sugar or swap in a low-calorie sweetener to keep it lighter. Powdered egg whites, like the Just Whites brand, are pasteurized and safe to consume without cooking, making them convenient for smoothies. They also mix easily, giving the smoothie a silky texture while delivering a clean protein boost. If you want extra creaminess, blend a little longer or add a splash of water or milk. Alternative to reach the consistency you prefer, the Peach High Protein Smoothie is a tasty, nutrient-packed drink that combines hydration, antioxidants, and protein. It's a simple, easy-to-make way to support kidney health while keeping your body full, energized, and nourished. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you're helping your kidneys work efficiently, promoting detox, and giving yourself a refreshing, satisfying treat that can be enjoyed any time of day. Whether you're aiming to cleanse your body, maintain muscle, or just enjoy a delicious smoothie, this peach protein drink delivers on all fronts. Number 6. Strawberry Protein Smoothie. For a smoothie that's both delicious and packed with nutrients to support your kidneys, the strawberry protein smoothie is a fantastic choice. Strawberries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which helps fight free radicals and reduce inflammation in your body. This is essential for kidney health because antioxidants protect these organs from oxidative stress, helping them filter toxins more efficiently. Strawberries also contain fiber, which aids digestion and assists your kidneys in eliminating waste naturally. When combined with protein, this smoothie becomes more than a refreshing drink. It's a nutrient-packed boost for your body. The smoothie's protein comes from pasteurized liquid egg whites, which provide a high-quality source of protein with very little fat and calories. Protein is crucial for repairing muscle tissue and maintaining energy, so adding it makes this smoothie perfect for breakfast, a post-workout snack, or even a light meal replacement. The combination of strawberries and egg whites creates a creamy texture while keeping the smoothie healthy, light, and satisfying. A touch of sugar or low-calorie sweetener enhances the flavor without overpowering the natural sweetness of the fruit, making it both tasty and kidney-friendly. Ice adds a refreshing chill, making it perfect for hot days or anytime you want a revitalizing drink. Here's how to prepare it. Start by placing 3/4 cup of fresh strawberries in your blender and blend until smooth. Next, add 1/2 cup of liquid pasteurized egg whites, 1/2 cup of ice, and 1 tablespoon of sugar or sweetener. Blend everything together until creamy and fully combined. If you prefer to use frozen strawberries, add 1/4 cup of water instead of ice to help your blender process the fruit smoothly. Depending on how frozen the fruit is, you may end up with a soft serve-like texture, which is especially enjoyable in warm weather. You can also adjust the sugar or use a low-calorie sweetener to match your taste while keeping it healthy for your kidneys. Pasteurized liquid egg whites are safe to consume without cooking, making them convenient for smoothies. They mix easily and provide a smooth, creamy texture while giving your body a clean protein boost. The beauty of this smoothie is how simple it is to make and how flexible it is to customize. You can experiment with more or fewer strawberries, add a little extra protein, or even throw in a few additional berries for variety. The result is a refreshing, nutrient-dense smoothie that supports kidney function, promotes detox, and helps maintain energy and muscle health. The strawberry protein smoothie is an ideal addition to your daily routine if you want a drink that tastes amazing while supporting your kidneys and overall health. With antioxidants from the strawberries, protein from egg whites, and fiber to aid digestion, this smoothie is a simple, effective way to cleanse your body, stay energized, and enjoy a naturally sweet, creamy treat any time of day. These 6 smoothies are a simple and tasty way to support your kidney health while helping your body cleanse naturally. Packed with fruits, protein, fiber, and antioxidants, they reduce inflammation, protect your kidneys from stress, and help flush out toxins. Each recipe is easy to make and customizable, making it perfect for daily use. By enjoying these smoothies regularly, you're giving your kidneys extra support while nourishing your body and keeping it healthy and energized.